Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be talking about mining profitability on Ravencoin. This is on a 3080 rig, it's 12 GPUs. So if you think that's interesting, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell, go to cryptollc.org. If you're looking to set up a GPU or ASIC mining farm right now is the best time to jump in. As you can see, basically every single coin is negative, so you're not making any money at all. But when the price is down so much and the hash rate is up so high, it is actually the best time to start mining because there's basically no one else out there that's buying GPUs. So you can get nice, cheap 3080s, 3090s, 3070s, and so on. Really good prices to jump in. Hardware is highly available, and so on. And before we get started, Bitcoin saves your wealth and Jesus Christ saves your soul. All right, so today's video, we're going to be talking about just one coin. It's going to be Ravencoin. Not going to be talking about Conflux. You can see Conflux right over here. We're not going to be talking about Conflux today, or ProgPow algorithm, or even the Neox, or whatever the name of it is. It's on CowPow as well. We're not going to be talking about that. We're just going to be talking about Ravencoin. The reason why is because Ravencoin is one that potentially can go up a lot higher than other coins. It's got a pretty good solid market cap, and it's good for GPU mining because it switches out the algorithm all the time. And you can look at, say, revenue, the market cap, not revenue, the market cap, volume, and so on. So like at Conflux, you have the market cap 87 million, but if we go down to Ravencoin, the market cap is $400 million. So it's a big market cap. Now, of course, you have to kind of take the information from what to mine, so we're using. So if these numbers are a little bit off, then that's just what's to mine. It's a general idea. So again, Ravencoin is going to be today's video. So let's go to here to the very top. We're going to look at what 3080s are capable of. You can see all these blue ones. That's our, actually I can turn this one off, but that's our hash rate, power consumption. As you can see, Ethereum right here was doing, that's like if you take 99, let me actually quickly check on my phone and make sure that's correct, but it's supposed to be 99 times 12. Yes, it's exactly correct. So this is an Ethereum hash rate, 99 times 12 GPUs, how much watts a 3080 consumes, or the whole rig right there. So these are all correct values. And what we're looking for is we're looking for CowPow algorithm right here. It's 546. This is the newest updated hiveos running the newest updated and most efficient algorithm. And 12 of those cards produce 546 on CowPow. Wattage is 3650, right? So we have all that plugged in. Our electricity costs 6 cents. Well, it's actually technically 5.9, but we'll just go to 6. Calculate it all, and this is what we get. If we go down to Ravencoin, the current income is 0. You're basically negative 86 cents a day. So every single day you're mining Ravencoin, as of right now, per 12 GPUs is bringing in negative 86 cents. So you might ask, well, why would you mine if it's bringing in negative 86 cents? Well, there's a couple of reasons why you would still continue to mine. One is if we can't make a profit, if our investors can't make a profit at 6 cents, imagine how screwed the 10 cents mining farms out there are. Just imagine those guys that are running 10 cents, 15 cents. I mean, they are just annihilated. All right, this is already negative 86 cents. Imagine what everybody else is at. I mean, if I go down to 4 cents, let's type in 4 cents, let's recalculate that. At 4 cents, right, Ravencoin, now you're profitable at 90 cents, right, and which is nothing for 12 GPUs. I mean, that's really sad, but still, you have something. I guess you can kind of wait it out. If we go to 5 cents and go to Ravencoin, okay, you're break even. You're basically breaking even, but you need to be at 5 cents. We are not at 5 cents. We are at 5.9 cents. So you can't do that, right? We're not profitable. Now, let me show you reasons why. Let's go to the Ravencoin hash rate. This is from 2 miners. Let's go to their hash rate. Let's look at this. In August 30th, this is this year, basically 2 months ago, the hash rate of Ravencoin was 2.4 terahashes a second. Now we're at 18 terahashes a second. So if we're going to go 2.4 times, let's see what that is, times 7.5 basically. Okay, so it's 2.4, 7.5. So Ravencoin's hash rate increased by 7.5 times. So that's how much harder the network became. You can see it went straight up after Ethereum merge. Right here is kind of getting ready for it, and then straight up, and then you can see it's kind of going down, going down, going down, going down. You can see it has a higher low here, higher low, or actually a lower high or whatever it is. But you can kind of put a line from this tip right here to this one, to this one. You can imagine that in the next couple of weeks, it's going to be down here, and then down here, and then down here. And it's going to basically just die. And the reason why is that no one's making any money. Again, you have to have 4 cents or 5 cents just to break even. You have to have 4 cents to be profitable. So how many miners out there doing GPU mining that are at 4 cents, right? Not that many. So your competition right now, who is this over here? Who is this? That is everyone else out there that's mining at 15 cents. All right, they are on their way to the deathbed, right? They're going to be completely annihilated. Let's go and type in, let's say 10 cents. Let's say you're mining away at 10 cents, right? Ravencoin, losing $4 a day, right, on Ravencoin. Let's see what that's going to be. So 10 cents, you're losing $4.34 a day. 4 times 34, you have to say 30 days. So you're losing $130 a month, $130 a month just mining Ravencoin. That's crazy, right? That's a lot of you're making nothing, right? So you pay your electricity bill, then you got to add another 130 just per rig. So if you're running, let's say 20 rigs, your negative is $2,600 a month. You're running like 30 rigs, your negative is almost $4,000 a month. So no one can really sustain this. And if you had a mining operation, you had 40 rigs and you were at 10 cents, you're $4,000 negative a month. How many months can a miner at 10 cents be able to eat that, right? He's losing 4K a month, 4K a month, 4K a month. If this thing goes on for 1, 2, 3 months, he's going to be losing like $12,000 in those 3 months. That's at 10 cents. Let's go to 15 cents, right? If you're mining some sad place out there in the world where the politicians don't care about their own citizens and you're paying such a rip-off price like 15 cents. So I'm looking at like Western Europe. They don't care about their own people. So if you're going to be looking at them and you're going off of 15 cents, you're at $8.74 negative. So that's almost $8,000 you're going to lose. If you have 30 rigs and every single month you're going to be negative $8,000. That's at 15 cents. So that's a crazy loss. Now, for all the guys out there watching our channel and thinking, what are you guys mining? What are you guys mining? We are currently mining Ravencoin. Oops, did I just type in 60 cents? Yes, I did. Okay, we're currently mining Ravencoin, and we're just going to wait it out. We're going to wait it out. Some of our investors, they decided to pause mining. You know, it's up to them. It's their stuff. They can pause mining, wait for this thing to go back to, you know, a buck in profits or whatever it is, so they can start up mining again if they want, or at least go back up to not negative. Right now it's still negative 86 cents, but it shouldn't wait. It shouldn't take much longer, because as you can see, this thing is going down. Next time it's going to be up to here, probably going to be like 15 terahashes in about a week, and it'll keep going down. As time progresses, all of the guys that are mining at above, I think, our personal opinion, based on some history, based on doing this for like 8 years, personal opinion is anyone above 8 cents is screwed. You have to be at 8 cents to survive, unless you got a lot of capital and you can wait this out even though you're at 8 cents. We are at 6 cents, and in the future, we are also looking into getting to 4 cents. There's some places out here that have 4 cents. So at 6 cents, you can wait it out. We did it before. We did it a couple of years ago. Remember the whole drop in Bitcoin price when COVID happened? And then the drop in Bitcoin price a couple of years before stayed down below 10K, I think it was. So even at those situations, we were mining Bitcoin miners, so it wasn't GPU mining. Back then, you didn't make much money, but you still were profitable, just not much. And the reason why we were profitable, because we were at this 6 cents right here. We were at this 6 cents. If we were at like 9 cents, we'd be negative. So that's something to keep in mind. So our game plan right now is we're going to wait it out. This is going to destroy all the miners out there. And what that's going to do is it's going to flood the market with a lot of used GPUs, which is great because now we can tell our investors, hey, you can get 3080s for, you know, 400 bucks or whatever it is used. You can get them on various resellers, and they also provide like a 1-month warranty. So you can buy those for like 400 bucks and just buy them right now while everything is so down. So now, like an investor, if he was looking into getting into Bitcoin or into GPU mining, before he was like, I got to pay $800 per GPU, but now he can pay half of that price. So if he was looking into setting up a 1,000 GPU farm, now technically with the same amount of capital, he can set up a 2,000 GPU farm. Now, of course, he has to look at this, right, and be like, okay, he has to basically be a long-term play here because you have to get over this part, right? You have to get over this part. If you believe in Bitcoin, you believe in crypto, then this is nothing because you saw this a million times. So, but you know, not every investor is so committed or so firm in his beliefs. But if you are, right now is the best time to jump in. I mean, you can get octominers, you can get open air, all that, all those things related to GPU mining to be highly available. You can get anything you want for nice, cheap prices. The GPUs are the most important. You can get those really, really cheap. You get them used. It doesn't matter because at $400, half off, you know, even if 5% of your GPUs die, you still got half off. So you got double the amount of GPUs for the same price. And even if 5% of them end up dying because they were, you know, poorly taken care of, it doesn't matter. It justifies paying that because you got double the amount of GPUs. So even if you have to take 5% of them and throw them away because they're irreparable, still better than buying them at full price as of right now. So yeah, so that's current game plan. We're going to be making more videos talking about Conflux and various other coins. And as this progresses out, Ravencoin progresses out, we'll see what happens. But looking at this hash rate, looks like it's going exactly how we thought it would go. You know, the death spiral here is going to take about a month or two to complete. After that, it's game on. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys like it. Hit like, subscribe with the bell, and check out cryptollc.org. We also have a marketplace there, so you can jump on there and take a look. Right now, we recommend just buying used because the new ones, the new GPUs are still not going to be really greatly priced. You know, no one's going to really give them to you like a brand new 3080 for 600 bucks. No one's going to do that. Maybe they might, but highly unlikely. They'll probably still keep it at 800. So you're better off just buying used. But if you really, really want new, we have new ones available on our marketplace at cryptollc.org. That's going to be it for this video. Until next time, bye.